Hoskinson explains why Cardano ADA will beat Ethereum and Polkadot step by step. With a market value of over $200 billion, Ethereum is now the king of smart contract platforms. Cardano and Polkadot are in second and third place, respectively, with market capitalizations of $26 billion and $25 billion. These smart contract systems, despite their lower popularity, provide functionalities that considerably outweigh those of Ethereum. But will the Cardano ADA beat Ethereum and Polkadot? This may not be enough to account for Ethereum's first-mover advantage. Do you want to know the answer? Watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome to Coin Daily. By the end of August, I am going to upload a video every day with the goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers. And if every person who hears me now subscribes to the channel, we will get there in a second. Let's begin with the video. Let's look at the ADA pricing before we get into the issue. Cardano has been trading in a range between $1.37 and $1.32 as of July 12, indicating that the market is fairly volatile. It is now ranked 5th with a total market cap of $42.92 billion and a trading volume of $1,447,044,194. The ADA USD is now settling at a support level of $1.33. However, because the support is at the bottom of an ascending triangle, a bull run might be on the way. This, according to Cardano's price analysis, might aid a retracement to yesterday's high of $1.37 in the coming days. The Cardano market appears to be preparing for a brief bullish run in the immediate term. This might lead to short-term profits. However, if Cardano manages to hit $1.46, considerable resistance is predicted, culminating in another negative trend as seen by recent patterns, with day traders willing to sell off. Bulls are currently attempting to push the price above yesterday's high of $1.37, where there will most likely be some resistance. The ADA, on the other hand, will overcome resistance and rise higher if bulls maintain their pace. As indicated by our 4-hour Cardano price analysis, there has been a moderate degree of volatility in the previous 24 hours, after the bearish engulfing between the 7th and 8th of July. At the same time, the RSI is trending upwards over the 40-point mark. The market is no longer undersold at this stage. According to Cardano price analysis, this might indicate that the bulls are preparing for a short bull, implying a strong chance of a short-term gain. Let us now return to our original topic. Cardano is a blockchain project that has staked over 70% of its entire currency, ADA, for network validation, which is a very respectable rate. The lack of smart contracts in cryptocurrencies is one of the reasons why so much ADA gets staked. While just about 5% of Ethereum's total supply is locked up as validators, considerably more is locked up in DeFi applications. The Cardano project began in 2015 as an attempt to address some of the issues that Ethereum's proof-of-work consensus architecture has caused. Charles Hoskinson, a former co-creator of Ethereum, is the official founder of Cardano. Cardano's major enhancements include several processing layers for computing settlements, proof-of-stake consensus, and the ability to quickly update the network in the future. Cardano presently has between 100 and 150 engineers working on the project, and about 700 contributions are made each week. Because of these characteristics, Bitcoin is one of the most actively developed blockchain projects today, implying that they will be able to meet their growth objectives. With this number of developers, Cardano is one of the most probable initiatives to eat into Ethereum's market share. As Ethereum's 2.0 upgrade continues to be delayed, many investors consider Cardano as a viable alternative. Ethereum 2.0 will change Ethereum's network from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake, perhaps rendering Cardano obsolete. Due to its proof-of-stake consensus, Cardano can execute much more transactions than Ethereum, although this may not be the case with Ethereum as well. Furthermore, Cardano's network is devoid of smart contracts. Smart contracts are a crucial component of a blockchain ecosystem success. Ethereum has more than $30 billion in cryptocurrencies tied up in smart contracts. It's possible that Cardano may be too late for the procession. With solid fundamentals and a lot of momentum behind it, Cardano is without a doubt one of the most exciting applications in the blockchain world today. Cardano has already shown to be proof of stake, and it has a robust development team behind it. The goal of the endeavor is to get it correctly the first time. Ethereum, on the other hand, relies on trial and error to build its ecosystem. The separation of the settlement and computing levels of Cardano leads in significantly lower transaction costs, which are already significantly cheaper than Ethereum. While it has been dubbed the Ethereum killer by some, this is highly improbable. Cardano, in my opinion, will carve out its own place inside the global blockchain system, but it will not succeed in flipping Ethereum. If you're optimistic on crypto and blockchain in general, investing in Cardano makes a lot of sense. If you already hold Ethereum, Cardano is a wonderful hedge that will almost certainly result in a net gain. It's a true win-win situation. As part of this plan, Cardano has chosen to play the long game, thereby skipping the full proof-of-work phase. The fruits of all those years of study and development are ripening and are ready to be picked. Despite the fact that Cardano's launch was delayed, it has instilled a level of trust that you don't get with the make-or-break cryptocurrency blockchains like Ethereum. The significance of the IOHK Ethiopian government case collaboration cannot be overstated. Even if it doesn't mean anything to Cardano, it has everything to do with Cardano's adoption tomorrow. It's one thing to work for a multinational corporation like Visa. Persuading a government to adopt your technology as part of its infrastructure, on the other hand, is a completely different ballgame. If this trend continues, I believe Ethereum will resemble Cardano in 5 years, with the exception that it will be utilized by normal people rather than DeFi and VC projects seeking to make a quick buck. The first mover advantage, as Charles Hoskinson points out, isn't everything. However, there is no catching up to Ethereum at this moment. On a longer timescale, the effect appears to be rather different. Cardano, on the other hand, is designed to be long-term, which is a concept that Ethereum is unfamiliar with. With as much success as Ethereum has had so far, there's no denying that it's been a rocky ride. The last thing a $250 billion blockchain should be doing is rushing to proof-of-stake POS. It has the potential to bring millions of people along for the trip. To begin with, the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile, with rates constantly fluctuating. So, by the time you see this video, the coin values will have shifted to a completely new range. That is all that I have for this video. I hope that you've learned something and gained additional insight about this project. If you are looking to invest, please be smart and make sure to research beforehand. Other than that, I wish you the best of luck.